Hey, have you ever thought about your dream job?
Yes, definitely. My dream job is to become a film actor.
That's exciting. Why do you want to be an actor?
Because I love performing and expressing emotions. Acting allows me to live many lives and connect with people deeply.
That's a beautiful reason. Have you done any acting before?
Yes, I've done some stage plays and short films. I'm also working on my skills every day, like voice control, body language, and expressions.
Sounds like you're really serious about it.
I am. I know it's not easy, but I believe with hard work and passion, I can make it.
Would you prefer movies, theater, or TV?
I'd love to start with theater. It teaches discipline and depth, but my goal is to work in good films that have strong stories.
That's amazing. Do your friends and family support you?
Yes, thankfully they do. They know I'm passionate about it. Their support keeps me going.
I hope you get there soon. I'll be cheering for you.
Thanks a lot. I'll invite you to the premiere of my first movie.
Topic: your morning routine. Hey, what's your morning routine like?
Well, I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m.
That's early. What's the first thing you do?
First, I drink a glass of warm water. Then I freshen up and brush my teeth.
Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go for a 20-minute walk and do a few stretches or yoga. It really helps me feel fresh.
That's a good habit. What do you do after exercise?
I take a shower and then meditate for about 10 minutes to calm my mind.
Sounds peaceful. When do you eat breakfast?
Around 8 a.m. I usually have something light like oatmeal, fruits, or toast with tea.
Do you check your phone or read the news in the morning?
I try not to use my phone too much in the morning. Instead, I read a few pages of a book or write in my journal.
That's really mindful. When do you start work?
I start working or studying around 9 a.m. By then, I feel fully ready for the day.
Your routine sounds very healthy and organized.
Thanks. It took time to build, but now I enjoy it.
Topic: a recent trip or vacation. Hey, did you go anywhere recently?
Yes, I did. I went on a short trip to Manali last month.
Wow. That sounds amazing. How long was the trip?
It was a 4-day trip with my cousins. We all needed a break from work and studies.
What did you do there?
We did a lot. We visited Solang Valley, enjoyed the snow, tried paragliding, and went for a trek to Jogini Waterfall.
That sounds adventurous. Was it your first time paragliding?
Yes, and I was super scared at first, but once I was in the air, it felt like flying. It was incredible.
What was the weather like?
It was cold but pleasant. In the mornings, the sun was out, and in the evenings, we sat around a bonfire.
Did you try any local food?
Yes. We tried himakali thali and momos, and the hot Maggi with chai at the top of the mountain was the best.
Sounds like a perfect trip. Did you take photos?
So many. I even made a short video blog. I'll show you later if you want.
Definitely. I'd love to see it.
Great. That trip gave me peace and so many memories. I'm already planning the next one.